Hello everyone and welcome to Quick Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how to hide who you follow on Twitter. So this is pretty simple and let's jump right into it. I'm going to open the Twitter app right now. This is the X app after the latest update. The old Twitter is now the X app right here. So what I'm going to do is at the top left corner I'm going to select my profile icon. And as you can see right here, if I'm going to my profile again, I should be able to see persons that I'm following and my followers right here. So if let's say I want to hide this information, let's go back to the main page. I'm going to tap on my profile icon again, and then I'm going to settings and support, and then settings and privacy. So right here, if we scroll down a little bit, we should be able to see the privacy and safety option right here, which I'm going to tap on. And as you can see right here, we have some different options, but we'll have to choose the very first one, which is audience and tagging. So right here, as you can see, we have this option which says protect your posts, where it says only current followers and people you approve in the future will be able to see your posts. So if I'm going to toggle on this option right here, that will mean that people will not be able to see who I'm following on Twitter anymore, and also they cannot see my followers. And of course I can select photo tagging right here, and I can turn that feature off as well. So this is pretty much it. I'm hoping you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.